Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 7 minus 3 square parenthesis 3 square minus 4. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Now we have one subtraction here, and here is multiplication and one parenthesis. Inside of the parenthesis we have one subtraction, and we have two exponent here. So one inside of the parenthesis and one outside of the parenthesis. So first of all we solve parenthesis. Anything inside of the parenthesis we solve first. So equation become 7 minus 3 square, and inside of the parenthesis they give us 9. 3 square they give us 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 they give us 5, and here is multiplication and 5. Now we have one exponent here and one multiplication and one subtraction. So first, according to the rule, we solve exponent. Now 7 minus, they give us 9, multiply by 5. According to the rule, first we solve multiplication, then we solve subtraction. So 7 minus 9 times 5, they give us 45, and 7 minus 45, they give us minus 38. So the final answer is minus 38. Thanks for watching.